Have you noticed your body getting stiffer and slower as you get older? This is usually not about something being wrong, but about how the body moves over time. In this video, we'll start understanding why this happens and what you can do about it. Hello everyone, this is week 1 of Fitness Friday. Over the next 3 weeks, we will be focusing on joint stiffness, using simple and gentle movement routines designed to support general mobility. Joint stiffness often builds slowly when joints are not moved regularly during the day. Gentle movement helps remind the body how to move comfortably again. Today is part 1, where we start with upper body joint movements. In today's routine, we will do 3 simple movements. Move slowly, stay within a comfortable range, and stop if anything feels painful. Let's begin with the first movement. Sit comfortably or stand with support. Relax your shoulders. Move slowly and stay comfortable. Slowly roll your shoulders backward in a small, gentle circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Small movements done regularly are more helpful than forcing bigger ones. Relax your arms by your sides. Move only within a comfortable range. Slowly lift your arms forward to a comfortable height. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There should be no sharp pain. You can pause or stop anytime. Relax your arms by your sides. Move slowly and stay comfortable. Slowly bend your elbows and bring your hands toward your shoulders. Then slowly straighten your arms back down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Comfort matters more than how far you move. Even gentle movements can be effective when they are done consistently. These gentle movements are designed to support joint mobility when done regularly. Remember to move only within a comfortable range. These exercises are for general movement support only. If you have pain or a medical condition, check with a qualified professional before continuing. We've also included a PDF for this week's exercises, linked at the bottom of the description.